click the unfollow button quick. Because I been unfollow you already for a man in was the first one me blood clot unfollow before me even unfollow. Big like around a palladium blood clot theater. I don't think you cute. You no bumbo clot cute. You don't think you cute? Eh? What I do when bleach is done for a little bumbo hole? What you go do? 2 blackbirds sitting on a blood clot wall. One named Peter, one named blood clot Paul. Yeah? Trying to make bleachings run out for you. Because you not cute. You have a world of blood clot nose a black hole of your on your face. Me know for me big. Me know me born ugly already, so me no give a fuck. And when I say ugly diamond, I say present. Move your blood clot. I mean your ad for. Oh, no ad for me. I don't me make them put blood clot Charlie's Angel for your head. I don't me. You see no bun me a blood clot, you see? Worse so me get up out of my blood clot examination because run competition blood clot for you free of cost. And boy you unfollow. I don't care what interview you go up and never say big up Diamond. Move your blood clot, I can't tell me say. All is that are the only somebody can unfollow me and me maga down. And the only somebody can unfollow me right and my body drop off. Me not ask Christ if cartel unfollow me a man me maga down. Maga down Gaza to the blood clot fucking world. And when me say Gaza, me mean say me a Gaza nation. And me not ask Christ, me a real hearted Gaza. Me not talk say me a Gaza out of my mouth. And for this, me boss me act for you. But through me know internet people stay. Me see CNN like me picture them and me be a complaint to Boise. Ask Boise. Man, the boys in there, tell the boys, tell them, me call boys and me come to the boys and say, oh, intense so hype and all like nothing for me. Me turn to boys and me say, me go done intense on them day, you know. But those stream and cartel that is, I know what people go say, boy, me and him have nothing, me I jump up through because of blood clot cartel. And me say, boys, you see any day and follow me? That's the day me go rub out him blood clot and boys, I say, no, my mama take it easy. Me say, me I go rub out, me tell boys, he play on street. Ask boys when me tell him, say, boys, he can't come talk. When the boys, he call me and say, I have a new artist, me run him. Me say, boys, me not do no artist fee against like intense. And then again, me not do no put on up on my page because I can't tell me say I me not make say oh no, cartel vexed me. Ask boys if I know that me tell him. Me love you see me boys, you know you're me dope, see I'm me done. Ask boys, me tell boys he playing that shit. And me say boys right now me not post no artist for you. Because me not make say uno cartel no like me. See when me tell boys, ask boys. And boys still now give up. Boys come back again other day and say to me, say, Mama, all the things if you make me run the competition. Me say, boys, enough other me say, boys, enough other dancer over there make them run it for you. Me not run it for you. Me not run no more artists for you. See me tell boys, the boys I just say, just cool mama, me no mama, me never this. So me say, boys, me not bust no more artists for you. So anybody in here can go feel it because I intend to blood clot and grateful. You see, ungrateful cover in blood clot, maga face. Face kind of tough like a piece of blood clot, steel, drunk crow. Your face tough like a Spanish toad handcuff. Your crotch is wide like an Alan Bamboo pathway. If you go for Alan Bamboo, move your bumbo. Some things I want to the right now, you see intense. We want dub you, a rebel save you. I need, I dub you too neat. Right now, I dub you too blood clot neat. A rebel save you, you know. A rebel blood clot save you. I love a rebel life, I me like rebel. Right now, a rebel save me, I take back some of what I want to tell you. Remember me blood clot, tell a dirty dibby intense. Dibby blood clot intense. You feel the pan top farm, you know the pan top farm. You go lose fan base. You're too blood clot hype. I remember me tell you say you go kill your own self. You go kill your own self. All who say Jet Life, you follow me and follow me, can me go click it and follow button pound a bumbo wall now. Oh, although me no know if me follow none of blood clot, uno. I must see 3 Jet Life, although me follow. I like me follow Bududu by my boss still. Bududu big up yourself, me done, you know, you're me done still. Dirty drunk crow. Me don't know who a fool you know. I didn't filter up on the internet a fool go like no cute. None of uno no cute. Uno know it's big no blood clot. Try no make bleaching run out no day. Any day the government ban blood clot bleaching, every Chinaman have to stop sell it. And every blood clot ban they say bleaching stop sell it. Me don't know what uno go do. Uno go fear 2 little blackbirds sitting on the blood clot. One name Peter, one name blood clot Paul. God forgive me just say, Father God, me have to address this. Too out of order. You go kill your own self, you go lose fan base, you're too enough. Remember you not reach nowhere intense. Remember you not reach nowhere intense. Remember you not build the house for the blood clot till you top hype up yourself. Wait for your turn. Wait your turn to run out of your fucking league. Stay in your league and stay in your fucking lane. You're too enough. You're too hype. You're too blood clot hype. I don't know how you're so hype. I don't know your name Foota hype. You're too hype. You don't know? You're too blood clot hype, man. You don't reach nowhere. You're too ungrateful. You have to stop it. You have to look out who you see in a life, people. Anybody will support you, don't support them back. Support goes where support comes from. And that me I try show you know. Me never see you do an interview in your life yet. I said big up Mama Diamond. Cause me not lie, she show about the song there for me. You never even see give me a forward. Not even say, alright, me like one of them a picture them and put Yang. Me not even see Yang nor Zeng a blood clot for me picture them. All I water, you usually put on a me look picture them play. Me not even see play much play. You follow blood clot intense, and intense are style for you. Stay the follow intense. Intense are style for you. You better stay in your own lane. I go things I never love friend and company. Cause me love friend and company, me would still a rain a blood clot. Can you see all of my group split in a two? Everybody am be no intense. Me Diamond. Make every boy am be no blood clot intense. Make every boy am be a bumbo clot no make the money tax. You remember say me name Diamond Attitude. And when me drop the blood clot song, every boy love it. Every pass a boy say, Mama who sing this song bad. The pan intense. You say me go one dance and the song drop. Me kill myself. Me video everybody and blood clot tag the pussy wall. Me video everybody and tag the pussy wall for repost and them something there. I saw me they kill my blood clot self for drunk crow. Outer order, man. If Andrew was a blood clot person, it would be yo. Move your dibby bumbo, repeat underpants artist. You can't argue with me. I want you drop no word for me and see. Me rub out you clean. Cause right now me I give you the clean rubber book. Right now the liquor rubber me I give you on the book. I want you to clean rubbings me I give you. Clean rubbings me I give you. Me not get the good rubbings yet. Compare you to intense. Intense. Sure. Why make him a rub with them and me not done him? I want to keep a sure. I try to make me know want to rub out that boy I work right with or me want to rub out the iron jaw bumbo whole boy there you know. What a day when phone take a filter for some on a picture. Kind of blood clot real life intense. You know you don't look good. You know you know blood clot look good drunk crow. Dibby bumbo hole. All of the followers them went over intense page for me page. You don't need to unfollow him right now too. All of the followers them went over intense page. You don't need to unfollow him blood clot right now too. Mama say for the rate, but you don't need to unfollow him back too. Moving pussy hole and go. Who is you? Intense not even half big like my night shirt when me have on. You need even half big like my blood clot shirt, yes sir. I hear they go like say your blood clot hype. Rasta burn out in blood clot gas come a town. If you come collect your blood clot money, get 3 tickets and half you pay for them. How much ticket? What kind of ticket you get? I saw 10,000 or some 5,000 ticket. 7.5. 375 ticket.
Speed.
375 speed ticket you get.
Why? I want it. Remember I want to put me in advance.
I'll jail the rest of the go. I'll fucking jail. I remember that one. I'll jail the rest of the go. But the rest of the irritated power of the police them. And the police them put the rest in our van. Feel like I say, officer, please, officer, you can't lock him up. I say, officer, no, you can't lock him up, officer. I beg you do. Actually, because we are going for my important business. So I beg you, officer, please, I beg you, a chant, officer. And the police said to me, say, you don't love your life, make him a driver, sir. And the police said, actually, woman, go give you a chance now. Because you top up your face like your ball. Because I put you in a, where man is it? What about just saying lock up every 24 hours? And the man said, I say, officer, I beg you do no matter lock him up. Outer order. Wasn't following him at first. Alright. But anyone on the followers, they did follow him, you can't unfollow him now. Anybody when they follow him through me, you can't unfollow him now too. Remember, anyone on the followers that used to follow him through me, you can't unfollow him now. You're out and a blood clot and bride. I look up piece of blood clot. I want to say the car name. Because I don't know car name. I must see it a frightened. See God dig out half side of it there. See then take God not like ugly. See half side of it gone there. For sure your sign. stay in your lane, stop the speeding, slow blood clot down. Go back to the intense where you used to is. Be humble. Humble can't stop the most blood clot milk. You're too hype. You're too hype. You're too blood clot, nothing too hype. Who name Easy? Who name so? Who name Easy? Who name Easy not tell me if it hard. Let me go look at who name so. Who name Easy not tell me if it hard. Who name Easy? Me don't know who name so. Who name Easy? Easy Queen telling us say you want me add him? Easy telling us if Easy want me add him. Alright, let me add you. Let me add you, Isabella. Add you. Oh, Easy add you. Yeah.
Wow. It takes a long to add me.
Me never know say you're good. Sketch, you know the people are wicked.
You just get intense medicine.
No, me just get it Easy. Easy, remember me kill myself. Yeah.
Intense is nobody. Why you kill up yourself on Instagram and a class intense make him get more forward?
He can't get no more. Easy, me have to talk after class. Easy, the boy come
Diamond, you're not getting no on me. Me chin unique. Call up. Tani stickers. Everybody get it. Welcome to the club. Why you going like you're frightened?
No, me have to frighten Easy because me kill my blood clot save stuff in the bomb buckler repeat underpants artist. Easy, you know me have to talk.
Listen to me. Diamond, you see what you do a common assault. Yeah, you remember just that here, so what you do a common assault. When nobody could hear intense voice when him all sing, nobody. When Starmer come, everybody there in the road that promote intense and high water. You see nobody get anything? Nobody get a big up in an interview? I do everything from the greatness of my arm. I not look no at all. You know me too.
You know, it's just
follow everybody. Chin Unique, Talab, Tani stickers, everybody get it.
What could be intense for crutches why I want to pin up no blood clot? Intense and nobody.
Intense and nobody?
Remember saying no, if intense never fought rebel, he would have. Who could have said, oh, God, ask me that talk?
Listen, no? It's when you talk, put rebel one side. Rebel in one class for yourself. Forget of me, so nobody not trouble rebel one side.
Rebel and my sister, but
keep one side.
You know, feel glad for blood clot rebel coming by rebel go on life with him. And give him the rest of followers then. Remember, nobody ever use him till rebel give him a fuck and get the rest of followers then. That
me tell you, put rebel one side, that me tell you, intense nobody.
One leg of me more on dirty intense.
You know, like your mouth there. Nobody can stop you. Like your mouth.
Dirty, nasty,
Diamond. Intense is nobody. Intense and nobody. Nobody at all. Intense when the whole of we are packed up in a one car down in a Lapagar road.
Me I let it go and blood clot you. Intense is to be a fish like us, like you have. Show me your company, me tell you who you are. Every day a new Batman cuss you. And be a blood clot fish lost over your intense. You and them in a league and company. I want you use a hammer and broke on the accurate and drop on the out of it. Me they rub out your blood clot. Want to come around and me sick over. No, me now go hold me mouth and let it go and blood clot you. Go away and go to the intense. Undercover batty boy. That's your crutches so wide because they fuck you go and fuck you come. When you see me at all, tell if you come shoot me. Drunk, dog. You don't see me at all, come shoot me, I call it me, I'm a blood clot, a dirty intense. Dirty DB blood clot zinc fence. You they go like your blood clot hype. And the piece of blood clot, I am Cara fried the bumbo clot, you will not stroke through, look whining over. But blood clot, and the piece of zinc off your blood clot gate. And the piece of either DB 14,000 I better you throw for your blood clot, they go take you off. And go buy good blood clot furniture, drunk crow, and write it bedded this year. Me no want no let that bumbo over because strip palm. I want them all the time firm with ya. Where Rasta they get na this blood clot he go. Why they go dirty intense? Who fried you? True one time I told us you're my size, my style. My color. True me tell you that. I frighten blood clot, you're intense. You can't listen to me as something like talk off my mouth. Drunk crow. But Kupan blood clot, you boy, you're the unfalla. Kupan you too. Kupan you intense. Intense, you don't know nobody a blood clot intense. There's nobody intense. Intense, you come like a one big pullover with splendors padded one long time one. From back in the blood clot, there's dirty white crotch is intense. Your crotch is white like a dung in a island bamboo, that's so the turn we go. So white crotch is dirty intense. You can't argue with me. I pay Batman to cuss you. You know, see Batman them know them bumbo clad company, them drunk crow, dog. Dirty dog shit. Me want to rub out for your call, can't tell you if this a drunk crowd. What you mean wait for a reason if it done, you're dirty intense. Dirty no clothes intense. Because the amount of time boys they feed you, but you unfollow boys, they coupon you too. But coupon blood clot, you too intense. You know nobody intense you ain't blood clot shit. Intense you come out kind of cheesy like a Timberland blood clot shoes and right up and they put on in a sun for 3 days. Move your blood clot and we're intense. What you know about? And the piece of blood clot can't frighten you. I must it frighten you. I'm going to go buy a right Posturepedic mattress you sleep on intense. And move your blood clot and we're intense. You know nobody go take the blood clot zinc fence off your gate. When me bumbo clot come at tavern, I go down in a one blood clot, go to Peter Bellin through so you go through so. One house a old dirty footman behind you, one of them underpants wears black. Move your blood clot and go. God not sleep. And the piece of car when frightened and blood clot. That's why God right off side of it. God forgive me now rejoice your crush, but your wicked pussy hole. I shall pop your blood clot neck. God forgive me, Father God, for your sister. But I have to tell him so. And I look up in I have to tell him so. And too blood clot ungrateful. Dirty, wicked, intense. Nobody never wants to see you if you have money to pay a dancer. Everybody around back here like a kitty fly here. Come go like you. It's intense. You have somebody intense. Is no blood clot body intense. Yeah, your dirty brother, 2 blackbirds now. One named Peter, one named blood clot. Don't make bleaching run out from bumbo clot. Uno no day. Because when you no black, uno no nice. Out of no blood clot. Intense, you know something about nobody else around. Intense, you know star a blood clot. You're falling bumbo clot star, intense. Intense, you're falling star. Me a wish up on a blood clot star. When you see my star a shoot through the sky, you barely can't see it. You have to wish blood clot fast. When you see me star a shoot. Drunk crow. I want to catch up before I start read off the charge. No, I like when me attack me a blood clot go so, you know. Me like when me attack me I go say, you know, intense move your blood clot, zinc fence now work pan blood clot get again intense. A girl a do it and shine padlock. Move your blood clot dirty intense. And go. Move your blood clot and go drunk crow. You're falling angel. Look like you're star. You're no blood clot. You're falling blood clot star. Me I wish upon a star. Intense you know in a me league. No day, no time. Nowhere, no how. Put me right and up on the blood clot board out there so. Them ask who the dibby red boy there. Dibby picky head intense. Cream out here blood clot boy. You do everything to yourself. All the thing left here do I tuck one G-string in your battle and put on one pike heel. And go join blood clot. She be them over there crew. Drunk crow. Rub out your dirty nasty suck with blood clot. We're dirty intense. We're dirty intense when the rest cocky run so like a spliff tail. Dirty intense. You can't argue with me. Oh, you're ramping me rub out your worse than blood clot this. Dirty nasty intense. All germs. Boy, the unfollow. I must show me used to give you 2 texts. I must feel so me that look you. And that thing me that look you. Me never did that look you. Drunk crow. Through them time you went brown and umbra. Go on like say. Remember the first time I see the boy and I said, hey, my size. If I go on YouTube right now, you can go find the first time I see the boy and I say, hey, my size, my type. I not tell her I take out but I take you. I frighten you. And that blood clot lick your chip, I must not lick your chip make it the hype. I must not make it the hype. This man in Happy Blood Clot Festival, I want to put on the phone and tip on my blood clot to rub out the dirty why I know. I want the phone up get 2 bar man. I plug it out and bumbo will go on bad. Eh? Man blood clot, your dibby bumbo clot intense. Intense, you not look good. You never look good, Intense. Intense, you never look good. Your pants them can't stay upon your crotches. To oil up your pants them can't stay on your crotches to oil wide. Intense, you never look good. Repeat underpants, artist, you can't talk to me. You repeat underpants, no blood clot. You know, so no rich, you don't have money upon top for repeat underpants. Eh? And your drawers, you're supposed to change your drawers. If you're supposed to wear the same drawers, 3 blood clot, I repeat underpants, artist. You can't ramp with me. Call a bun, you're going to pick overnight food?
No.
So what me a smell a bun? Are we out the door? But I bun up pick I saw what they bun up. Go check the stove, go check the stove. But I bun on the people in piece of house, yeah. Check the stove. I don't feel stove light. Oh. But I mean, how? Come on, I look overnight for me and lay down and start spread out panic to blood clot. Out and no blood clot. Who is you, dirty Intense? Who is you, Intense? There is no blood clot, buddy. Nobody. Drunk from if it this for your discount tell me for rub out your white crotches, big batty wall, blood clot, Intense. Cause only God can come tell me say that man now fuck you. Me talk anything I want to talk out of my mouth. So you say, you see me a blood clot town, you tell him your friend them to come shoot me or you come beat me. Because me they rub out your blood clot and go. Because Intense a be a fish no serve for you. Every time somebody cuss up on internet is a fish. Fish know them colleagues them, that's why them size up with you. Me never see a right human being cuss you, it a be a blood clot fish cuss you. True they know them colleagues. The amount of fish I see put up on NDP. The amount of fish I see put up and have love water under it. Drunk crow. For you this, my boss, me for rub out your big pussy blood clot. Your pussy big like you whole in a lane down a tavern if you go down in the gully. Because pussy you carry, you not carry cocky, me they rub you. Me they rub out your blood clot, dirty Intense. Dirty, nasty Intense. Where your mouth bigger than JMB, mouth water and a wet up rubber pillar and a rubber house. Me talk anything I want to talk. Me talk anything I want to talk. I'm a bad back of blood clot that you not have to see me and shoot me because I'm not afraid of no boy and no girl. Me can beat that piece of blood clot chest and me diamond attitude, me not afraid of no boy and no girl. So you don't see me on the shoot blood clot. Me, who is you Intense? You're too blood clot eye. You used to torment down my blood clot for run with this and run with blood clot that. Nobody never went a quarrel with you. But you feel like you're there look at 200 followers now. You feel like they're pussy in the top farm. You know the pan top farm pussy. Remember that your name Vice Blood Clot Cartel. Dirty Intense. Move your blood clot and go. See how your rubber pillar can't stay on him bed in a piece. Every man rubber have your son in pillar. Your mouth water general pillar stink up rubber blood clot pillar. Me talk anything I want to talk. I'm naked cause you have labor, me I repeat it. You're naked like a river blood clot stone. One way they go dirty Intense. Go fix up your place before you run out in a blood clot per internet in a bumbo clad Venzi. Cause I don't know Benza Venzi. Nobody no grudge nobody I walk to me. I have me proud of my blood clot walk to them. Me I keep up with my walk to till me can buy the original Mark 2. And that my blood clot say. And leg on my blood clot shirt. That's how me stay. Me talk anything I want to talk. And any batty boy or any big old girl run up and I am a rub out to no so good blood clot too. Cause I don't know my mouth not nice round here. You're too hype, man. You're too blood clot hype. I don't know your name Footer Bumble hype. You're too hype. You're too blood clot hype. You don't reach nowhere yet. You don't be like us. Pan the gully, they go like you the pan top farm. Yeah, your big nose, brother. Your brother nose big like a pancake. When them make the pancake, I don't make good on the flat on a frying pan. Nose broad, no blood clot. All him. Intense feel look for your stuff like a iron pipe. Spanish stone handcuff round your so. And your brother look blood clot more broad like a tree. Look duckling in a Donald Duck movie. When me cuss everybody. Everybody me cuss auntie, nephew, uncle, other relatives and bumble old friends. Me not care. Who are you too? True, them know easy when go talk the blood clot things. Them wanna report the live. And when Isabella gone, Isabella come back, come now. Come talk the blood clot things. Them but occupy your Intense boy the unfollow people. Try to make blood clot IG take down your page drunk. Occupy on to but not unfollow blood clot people. But occupy on to. Pupa, I want you can unfollow me too, you know. Me now wait for you too, you know. I want you can unfollow me and now too, you know. Cause me now make you unfollow me first. When you don't go, as me come over the live, me unfollow you too. Cause I bench your body friend, you like pick up blood clot theme. And you know, rate your blood clot, you can't sing better than him, and you know, stop stifle you. Come like you know, say intense, how long a career in nine shows. I want you to say intense, how long in nine blood clot shows. Intense, one long in his shoes. I want a blood clot shirt. I make the boy go a roll. Because the boy is so better than intense. Remember, say nobody could hear what you sing, say intense. Remember, say you used to sound like a blood clot. Neng. Nobody could hear what your blood clot, say drunk crow. And you come back. Why are you too intense? You not get no easy. I want to go easy and tell me I kill myself and get more. You can't get no more followers off of me. I not ask Christ about it. Because as ugly as me be, my fans them like me. Anybody who used to over there used to follow him and be off of me, I know them I go unfollow him. As my fans them blood clot love me and me have a die-hearted fans me have. If my fans them true to me, I not ask Christ. Anybody who not true to me is not my fans. It's just a girl with blood clot. Hate me or a boy hate me. I just want to watch out my liberty. That me say. That my blood clot say. Choke off in a blood clot river.